Just when you thought you couldn't possibly add any more RGB to your PC setup, Corsair launched their LT100 smart lighting towers. Now, we've got the starter kit here, which comes with 2 towers that you can see here. One is the controller and one is the extender. They've each got 46 individual RGB LEDs, giving you a total of 96 LEDs with the starter kit, but you do have the option of adding even more extenders, up to a total of 4, which will work with the one controller. Now, you can see here we've set it up to sync with the rest of our peripherals, giving this lovely ambient lighting. And if you wanted to do that, you can see here on the screen we've loaded up Corsair's free software, iCUE, and if you want to change it, it's as simple as clicking on here and simply changing the lighting effects. And all you do is sync it for the other devices. So I've set all of our peripherals here to colour pulse through the iCUE software, which is really simple. A really nice touch though that Corsair have added is this button here, which means that you can control the towers independently if you don't need them to sync with the rest of your peripherals, and you just press that button and you can cycle through the 11 preloaded lighting effects, which is really quite cool. Now, the towers themselves are made of really sturdy aluminium. They feel really well made. In the box, you get the 2 towers themselves in the starter kit. You get an AC adapter, a USB lead and the RGB lead, which links them all together. Also included in the box is this little hook here, which we've added onto one of the towers, which turns it into a headset stand, which is a really cool, nice little extra touch. So there you go, that's the LT100 starter kit, which adds even more ambient lighting to your PC setup to sync with your other peripherals and games. And you can get the starter kit and extender kits now at scan.co.uk.